This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert your Google Docs to PDF. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to Google Docs. Find the exact document you want to convert. It could be a detailed report, a professional resume, or any other important file. Once you locate it, simply double-click to open it fully in a new browser tab. Make sure all your recent changes are saved and the document is absolutely finalized before proceeding with the conversion. With your document open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You will see the File menu prominently displayed there. Click on File, and a comprehensive drop-down menu will appear with various options. Next, gently hover your mouse cursor over the Download option. This will reveal a new submenu. From this list, carefully choose PDF document to initiate the next step of the conversion. After selecting the PDF option, a new window or tab might pop up, giving you a chance to review a few final settings. For example, you might be able to select specific page ranges to include or adjust other export preferences if available. Once you are satisfied with these choices, simply click the Download button to finalize the process. Your browser will then prompt you to choose a save location on your computer for the new PDF file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder on your computer where you saved the PDF. It is a good practice to open the newly created PDF file to give it a quick review. Confirm that all the text, formatting, and images appear exactly as they did in your original Google Doc. With your document now in a universal PDF format, you can confidently share it with colleagues, clients, or anyone else who needs to view your professional work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.